Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV27. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV27 won't hold a charge, you're not alone. This is a common issue that can occur as batteries age and lose their ability to retain power. If left unaddressed, it can lead to reduced performance and ultimately render your vacuum cleaner unusable. Thankfully, this is a straightforward repair that you can tackle with some basic tools. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver, a replacement battery specifically for the Dyson SV27, and a soft cloth to protect the surface you're working on. To begin, ensure your vacuum is switched off and unplugged. Start by carefully prying open the casing of your Dyson SV27. You can do this by inserting the screwdriver into the seam and gently working your way around to avoid damaging the plastic. Once you've opened it up, locate the battery compartment. This is where the problem lies. The battery will usually be secured by a couple of screws. Using your screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Make sure to keep them in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently disconnect the battery by pulling out the connector. It might take a little wiggling, but be careful not to disturb any nearby components. Now, take your new replacement battery and connect it to the same connector you just removed the old one from. Ensure it's secured properly before proceeding. Next, replace the screws to secure the battery in place. When tightening the screws, be cautious not to over-tighten as this could damage the casing. After securing the battery, carefully close the casing of the Dyson SV27, ensuring that everything clicks back into place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Finally, plug in your vacuum and give it a test run. Make sure it holds a charge and works as expected. To prevent this issue from occurring again, try not to leave your vacuum on the charger for extended periods when not in use. Regularly clean the connectors and ensure the battery is not exposed to extreme temperatures. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.